book. Okay, we're gonna do another fun little song, a rhyme about some monsters jumping on a bed. You've heard of the one where the monkeys jumping on the bed, 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. Well, we have 5 colored colored monsters are going to be jumping on this bed. You guys ready? Okay, so we have a pink monster and an orange monster, a yellow monster, blue monster, and one more we can't forget, our purple monster. Oh my goodness, that's 5 monsters jumping on the bed. Here is Mama, and here is the doctor. You ready? 5 colored monsters are jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Which one should fall off? The yellow one? So the yellow one fell off and bumped his head. Well, Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." So we had 5, and now we only have, that's right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colored monsters are jumping on the bed. Which one falls off? The purple one? The purple one falls off and bumps his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed."